What would happen if your iPhone 30 became a rugged smartphone? The result will be as similar as possible to the new Oukitel WP20 Pro. As you can guess, this is the new off-road mobile from Oukitel. It is an improved version of the Oukitel WP20 that comes with a more storage space and better hardware. In addition, it maintains an ultra-rugged and lightweight body design, a huge battery capacity and large screen. As you can see, the WP20 Pro, it has a design that reminds us of the iPhone 30 because of the square camera module. Of course, it is much more resistant than the iPhone since it has the IP68, IP69K and mil-STD 810G certification. The phone is equipped with a 5.93-inch screen with the HD Plus resolution with a 5 megapixel camera on the top. On the back there are two cameras, of which is one 20 megapixel with a Samsung sensor and another with the photosensitive technology, offering high quality photos. To provide quality functionality in all situations, the WP20 Pro, it has a large 6400 mAh battery. The operating system that comes in the phone, it is Android 12, the latest version available at the moment. It comes with the excellent MediaTek Helio A22 processor along with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage and upgradable internal memory. And as if not enough, we also have NFC and the fingerprint unlocking. The WP20 Pro is available in two colors, black and green. It will go on sale with a special price reduced with a 20% off during the world premiere starting from today to the 26th on AliExpress. The official Oukitel links are below this video. Hurry up and grab your new WP20 Pro at a great price today. See you soon in a new video. Bye.